Look at this, Hubsan Zino Mini Pro update time. Well, we all love that, don't we? Enter device. FPV shutdown.
FPV has been turned off. It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
Yeah, we know all that, Mr. Magoo. Okay, we're gonna do the upgrade. Oh my god, here it goes. It's for the controller also, so that might be another bricking. As shown in the figure before upgrading the area, please connect the USB port on the remote control end to the USB port on the rear of the aircraft. Okay, that's always fun, right? Okay, so that's been done, and then you hit upgrade. I mean, this is really... And you got to hit download firmware files. You know, it says update, so you click the update. You still have to hit the button to download the files. But you would think that would already do that before it made you do that connection switch. You would think that that would be how they did that. But, you know, these engineers at Hubsan are freaking retards. Okay, so, I mean, this is Retardo Incorporated. Okay. Okay, so it's download. Now you have to press the upgrade button. And now it says upgrading. Gives you your transfer percentage. It has a little dial up here going on. Yay. What is this? 30 megabytes, 30.1. Added, what is that? Added HDR mode. Okay. Aircraft is starting. Please be patient. Okay, I think this took a long time to do. The last time I did this restarting part, it took a while from what I remember. Okay, so it says it's finished. The upgrade has been, please restart the aircraft manually before continuing to use it. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we're restarting everything, and now it says enter device. And what happens was when that turns green, that enter device, that means it's ready for you to enter the device. Of course, it says USB firmware upgrade.
FPV has been turned off.
Transmitter
it will turn
firmware.
on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
Yeah, okay, Magoo. Okay, upgrade. Yes, we're going to do that. Oh boy, here we go. So we're downloading the firmware for the transmitter now. Okay, this is the fun part. Okay, yeah. See you later, Mr. Brick. Now we're going to hit the upgrade. And now it's doing it. So if it bricks, I know what to do to unbrick it. So we'll find out in a sec. Okay, it finished. It took like 5 minutes. So we got to restart everything. Alrighty, we're doing the restart. Let's see. It's a damn Zino. Okay, so there it did. It turned green. There it is, the enter device thing. Now get ready for Mrs. Magoo to start talking.
FPV has been turned off. It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
What is this? There is a new firmware update. I just did it. Do you want to? Oh, God. Let me see what this is about now. As shown in figure, upgrading the aircraft. Now I got to do that again? Plug the phone into the aircraft. Oh, my God. I just did this. Okay, so I did it. So now it says upgrade. So we're going to do that. 1.3.7. Download the files. You always got to remember to hit that. Oh, boy. Now this is 30.4 megabytes. So I guess it's doing 2 updates. Oh, my God. Here we go. It'll never fly again. Call Magoo. Okay, so it's in the upgrade process here. It's kind of stalling here at the 50% mark. So we'll see what's going on. But it's been taking quite a few minutes here at the 50%. It did it on the other one too, on the other update. Now it's starting to move again. Okay, it looks like it's finishing up here. And what the one of the options was, it supports Zoom during recording now. So that's one of the... Okay, so it just finished it now. So finished, yay. Okay, I got it. Now I'm going to restart everything again. Okay, so it's restarting now. And we're just going to sit here and wait for a sec. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, you gotta love this. Man, oh man, I couldn't tell you how many times I cut this video already. Okay, so now it says Addy there. And enter device.
Okay,
So FPV, I got it.
FPV has
Now,
been turned
this
off.
is Magoo.
It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
Yes, okay, we're gonna do all of that, Magoo. Okay, compass calibration completed, and it says the FPVs. Okay, so it doesn't have any other warnings other than that on there, which is a good sign, okay? Because usually it has tons of warnings on there. Okay, version 1.3.7 for the aircraft, and 1.1.5 for the, I guess that's the controller, but I can't see because of that warning on there, of course. I can't actually see all of that, but we're gonna fire up the motors to see if they'll arm up, so to see if the controller's bricked or not. Okay, so it's
obstacle avoidance mode.
Yeah.
Please fly with caution.
Yeah, okay, Mrs. Magoo. Okay, so it seems to be working, so let's go do it, man.